It's Regina from Pampered Soaps. Welcome back on another wonderful Saturday. Today we're going to show you how to make our African Black Agave mint soap. I have my oils here and my lye. So I'm going to prepare my other ingredients and then I'm going to come back and show you how we put this together. We'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. Here we have mixed up the green color here with a little bit of mica green for the mint top that goes on the soap. We're also in the process of mixing up, as you can see here, the base, which we're going to add our coconut carbon to. Now, to explain a little bit about the African Black soap. Now, this soap was traditionally made with the ashes of plants. So the leaves and the barks of the trees were dried in the sun and roasted in a pot, and then later on added to water. Now, of course, we're not going to be cutting down any trees, so we're not going to do that. So the modern way that we do it is we use what's called coconut carbon, which is like a black color, similar to like activated charcoal. So we're going to be adding that, and let me just make sure you can see it on the camera. We mixed it with some avocado oil to give it all of the good vitamins and everything. So we're going to go ahead and mix that into our base, and that is where the actual black color will come from. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pour it into our base for a moment and slowly stir it a little bit. And you guys kind of see the black going a little bit. I'm going to go off camera and mix this up so you don't have to hear my noisy blender. And then I'll come back and I'll explain some of the benefits of African Black soap and why it's so popular. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. We're back, everyone. It's been about 35-40 minutes. This black base here, the African Black base, has become solid, so it's really good for the top portion. I'm going to move this over for a moment so I can show you what the top part looks like. This is the top part that we have here now, and it's, as you can see, it's a little thicker. That's the way I like it, so it'll make a thicker top. So we're going to get ahead and ready to pour that up. Make sure you can see that. Now, some benefits of the African Black soap and why we make it. It helps prevent razor bumps, so women and guys, that's an added benefit. It helps soothe irritated skin. It also fights acne. It exfoliates naturally. It reduces large pores, so if you have large pores, this is the soap for you for sure. And it's a natural moisturizer. So, okay, we're going to go ahead and pour. This right on top, and see how thick that is now. Beautiful. Okay, it's a nice top right here, and I just put a little poppy seeds in it for some extra exfoliation. I don't know about you, but I love the exfoliation. So poppy seeds is one of my favorite exfoliants to use. All right, let me tap this out before I see if I need to put any more. Let's tap it down. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, and I'm just going to put a little bit more. Okay. Perfect. On top here. Don't want to waste any, so let's scrape this all out here. Beautiful. Here we go. All right. Okay, so I finished pouring it. I'm going to go ahead and spray with alcohol on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover. We will come back in about 18 to 24 hours and cut it so you'll see what it looks like. And we will add that on the part of the video. Again, if you like what you see, if you'd like to see these type of videos every Saturday, please comment, subscribe, and check us out on social media. We're on Instagram, Facebook or visit our website at pampersoaps.com. Until next Saturday, guys, be blessed.